Questions today about where the economy really is and whether it is slowing more dramatically than some were expecting. Doc, what's this about today? Are we questioning what really happened at the G20?
Yeah, we're waiting. The question you posed right at the top, are we responding to the G20? Was there enough at the G20? We don't know.
Halo's gone already?
Well, no, but we don't know. All we know is what the United States has said, what our surrogates for the president and what the president has said. That's all we know so far, Judge, and that's half a picture. We need to know from the Chinese side, and that's what we have not heard yet. And that's why, you know, we bled off after being up 500 in the pre yesterday, and that's why we're bleeding again today, Judge.
Yeah, so Josh, where are we? What do we do?
Well, I mean, I wasn't on the show yesterday. I was eating a trough filled with sushi. Was anyone, like, all bulled up on this G20? Like, was anyone, like, going wild? Like, I don't think the market, like, you had a plus 400-point gap up open yesterday, faded within 15 minutes. So I don't think anyone was like, oh, well, that solves the China trade issue. What's the next thing? Like, so I just, now, look today, big underperformance in the Russell 2000. If you're like an America First whatever guy, that's not what you expect to see. Transports wrecked for 3%. Housing wrecked almost every day, but today another 3%. So if you thought that this resolved anything, I don't know, what do you want to tell me now? And then here's what I want to tell you, bigger picture. Look at EEM versus SPY. This is now 3 months of outperformance from emerging markets versus the S&P. Who was looking for that? Who's even talking about that? That could be something that's a major, major inflection point from a huge underperforming asset class to a huge outperforming, and then having those two things switch gears. This is a big surprise for me. So that's where we are, and I am not surprised by any of the other stuff.